Welcome to the AI Rotation, where we delve into the transformative effects of artificial intelligence on work, wealth, and the new-collar economy from 2025 to 2026. This journey synthesizes global intelligence on capital influx, digital adoption, and the restructuring of the modern workforce. The AI economy stands on four robust pillars: a staggering $5.2 trillion in capital, a 16.3% adoption rate, the creation of 1.3 million new AI-enabled jobs, and a strategic divergence between scale and precision. These elements reveal the dynamic landscape of AI's global impact. The $5.2 trillion ecosystem is a testament to AI's global dominance, with 1,290 unicorns worldwide. The United States, China, and India lead the charge, capturing 65% of the total ecosystem valuation, showcasing the immense influence of AI-driven innovation. Digital adoption is widening the global divide, with the global north at 24.7% and the global south at 14.1%. While the US lags, countries like the UAE and Singapore are leading the way, highlighting disparities in digital infrastructure and adoption rates. Open-source models like DeepSeek are disrupting access in regions like Africa and Latin America, while policy surges in South Korea demonstrate the power of national policy in driving AI adoption. These shifts are reshaping the global AI landscape. Public sentiment towards AI is a paradox, with rising optimism in Asia contrasted by skepticism in the West. Trust is eroding globally, as only 47% feel confident in AI companies protecting personal data, revealing a complex relationship between technology and trust. The labor market is rotating, not retreating, with a 20% slowdown in general hiring but 1.3 million new AI-enabled jobs created globally. This shift reflects macro volatility and a restless, underutilized talent pool seeking new opportunities. The new-collar era is rising, blending technical fluency with human-centric skills. With a 70% increase in AI literacy, workers are adapting to change, expecting AI to transform their roles, yet only a fraction feel fully prepared for this evolution. The global war for AI talent is fierce, with roles in AI becoming the most lucrative in tech. Countries like Australia, Canada, and Germany are competing for top talent, emphasizing the high stakes in securing skilled professionals in a rapidly evolving market. Asia's booming market offers lucrative salaries for AI roles, with top tech giants in China, Singapore, and India driving demand. This surge is fueled by fintech and autonomous systems, highlighting the region's pivotal role in the global AI economy. Europe's industrial demand is driving AI salaries, with Germany and Switzerland leading in sectors like robotics and advanced manufacturing. This focus on enterprise adoption underscores the region's strategic approach to integrating AI into highly regulated industries. AI strategy diverges into two paths: the scale playbook in the US and China, focusing on infrastructure and consumer-facing unicorns, and the precision playbook in Europe, emphasizing high-stakes accuracy in regulated sectors. Each path offers unique opportunities and challenges. Switzerland and Germany are winning with precision, ranking high in AI patents and operational strategies. Their enterprise impact is profound, with companies like Nestlé reducing costs significantly, showcasing the power of precise AI integration. The blueprint for leaders in 2026 emphasizes verifying capability, redesigning talent pipelines, adopting open source pragmatically, and mandating AI upskilling. These strategies are essential for navigating the complexities of the evolving AI landscape. The AI economy rewards adaptability, valuing deliberate, strategic moves over speed. The most valuable asset is a workforce that merges high-level AI fluency with irreplaceable human strategy and empathy. Adapt the talent, or forfeit the advantage.